Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check data usage in notification panel, especially on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I'm going to give you two methods you can try to check data usage in a notification panel. Okay, the first method, you can go to your setting and we're going to activate data warning so we can get the data usage in notification panel. Well, actually there is no feature to activate data usage in notification on a Samsung Galaxy phone, but don't worry because we can still get the data usage information using this feature. I'm going to show you. We can go to the connections menu and then we're going to go to the data usage and make sure you activate the data warning. Okay, you can go to the billing cycle and data warning on SIM 1 or SIM 2 if you have dual SIM on your Samsung Galaxy phone. I'm going to tap on that and then we can activate the data warning. Okay, just click on the toggle button to activate the data warning and then you can set the data warning here. Mine is 2 GB. So after I reach this data, I will get warning in the notification panel. I'm going to check it. Okay, this is my data usage so far. Okay, this is for SIM 1 and I'm going to activate it for SIM 2 as well. Okay, and I think my another SIM is not reaching the limit, so there is no notification. Okay, basically you just need to activate the data warning so you will get the data usage in notification panel. Okay, and there is another way to check the data usage. We can use application from Play Store, so we can go to the Play Store and then we can install internet speed meter. Okay, this one I have installed this application on my Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and after we installed the application, we will get notification about data usage. Okay, wait. Okay, this is how the notification looks like, and we can monitor our data usage here and also the internet speed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to check data usage in notification, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.